Hey everybody, good evening. Good evening. Just want to drop something on you real quick. So as far as the so-called trial of Donald Trump, the Senate, which is the jury, voted 51 to 49 to not allow witnesses in the trial of Donald Trump. So if you look at it, a trial should have witnesses. You should be able to face your accusers. But in this case, they're not allowing that. What legit jury says, you know what? I don't want to see any evidence against the defendant. I don't want to see any evidence against the defendant. What kind of jury does that? Right? Now, the jury, which is the Senate, they already said, we're going to acquit him. So go ahead and send the articles of impeachment over. We're going to acquit him. And that same jury is allowed to decide if witnesses will be allowed to testify. I just want you all to understand that this whole thing in Washington, D.C., that's a fool's game. That's a fool's game. So anybody who's arguing back and forth about, Democrat or Republican or whatever's going on there, it's a fool's game. It's a fool's game. Because I bet if you went out and committed a crime, and when it came to your trial, can you elect not to have witnesses? You're guilty as charged. You're guilty as hell. But you say, you know what? I don't want to have any witnesses. These people got photos, they got video, they got audio recordings. They got me doing all of this. But nah, no witnesses. First-hand testimony, first-hand witnesses. Nah. What kind of shit is that? What kind of shit is that? It's a fool's game. So that's why I said in a few videos before this, when I said, if you're watching this so-called impeachment trial, if anything, because we already know which way the Senate is going to vote, if anything, you will learn how your seat of government works. And you'll see the difference between you, the lowly citizen, and the citizens in Washington, D.C. And you'll see that it is a very unfair exchange of laws that we have to abide by and they don't. Hey, you know what? Many people might not even watch this video, but I'm just going to continue to push the truth out there. No matter if 3 people watch it or 3 people comment, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to continue to put the truth out there.